A woman without money is the woman without power. And I learned that the hard way. There was a time when, although I lived in a beautiful house, I felt like a prisoner inside it. I couldn't buy anything without explaining myself. I couldn't make decisions without tiptoeing around someone else's mood. I was trapped. Financially dependent, emotionally drained, smiling for the world while shrinking on the inside. But 3 years later, I run my online business. I pay my own bills and I don't ask anyone for permission to live my life how I want. Because the truth is, when a woman has her own money, she gets to write her own rules. And today, I'm going to tell you the brutally honest truth about money, the kind of truth I wish someone had told me. A woman without money is not free. And I wasn't free. I was financially dependent and emotionally stuck. I was told I was too ambitious, that I was trying to control everything, that a good woman should be soft, supportive, and not create pressure. But deep down, I knew the truth. I wasn't asking for too much. I was asking for basic dignity. And for many women, it's a hard pill to swallow. But let's talk about it. Really talk about it. You can be brilliant. You can be kind, loyal, resilient. You can carry a family on your back and hold everyone together with love. But if you can't afford to leave, they know you won't. And that's exactly where I was. And yet I stayed, not because I didn't see the red flags, not because I didn't want something more, but because I couldn't afford to leave. That is the cost of not having money. It's not about luxury. It's not about designer bags or five-star hotels. It's about options. It's about safety. It's about having the power to walk away when something isn't right. When you don't have your own money, you shrink yourself. You stay quiet when you want to scream. You say, it's fine, when it's not. You trade truth for survival, and the world, it rewards you for being accommodating, for staying small, and for not making a fuss. But let me tell you something. There is nothing noble about staying stuck in life that is slowly suffocating you. 3 years ago, I was in a relationship where love felt like control, and security came at the price of my independence. I was exhausted, angry and lonely, and terrified of starting over with nothing. I lived in a beautiful house with the right smile, did all the right things, but inside I was suffocating. I had no financial safety net, no personal account, and no way out. He paid the mortgage, he paid the utilities, he gave me grocery money and called it support. But behind closed doors, he was emotionally unavailable, controlling and sometimes unkind. I was walking on eggshells, raising babies while swallowing my truth because I couldn't afford to rock the boat. And the worst part, I didn't even realize how much power I had given away until the day I tried to take it back. But I did it anyway. I started building in the quiet hours after the kids were asleep, on the weekends when I wanted to just rest. I began learning, writing, creating anything to reclaim a piece of myself. And today, I run my own online business. I earn my own money. I make my own decisions. And I don't ask anyone for permission because now I know money is more than currency. It's power. It's self-respect. It's freedom. And when a woman has it, everything changes. You stop proving yourself to people who never valued you. You stop settling for relationships that drain you. You stop waiting to be chosen. And you start choosing where you go, how you live, what you tolerate, and who gets access to you. And this is the part no one teaches us as women. We're taught how to please, how to support, and how to survive, but not how to build, how to protect ourselves, and how to thrive. So if you're listening to this and you feel stuck, if you're in a situation where you're dependent, disrespected, or just quietly dying inside, I want you to know you're not alone and you're not powerless. Start small, start scared, start broke if you have to, but start. You don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need the perfect plan. You don't need to wait until the timing is right, because it never will be. You just need to begin. Begin with what you have. Begin where you are. And trust that every tiny step you take in the direction of your freedom is sacred. Because here's the truth. Money does make you better. It does make you more worthy, more lovable, or more important. What it does is give you the freedom to be exactly who you are, to say no when something doesn't feel right, to say yes to the opportunities without fear, to walk away from what dims your light and walk boldly toward what sets your soul on fire. Money gives you space. Money gives you time. Money gives you the quiet dignity of not having to explain yourself to anyone. And when a woman has that, she's not just wealthy, she's powerful, unshakable, untouchable. So please don't wait. Don't hope someone else will rescue you. You are the hero of your own story, and your first move is to take back control of your life. One decision, $1, one brave moment at a time, because you are not here to survive. You are here to rise, and money is simply the tool that sets you free.